西给大家维持，以免影响其他游客的观看。谢谢合作。
Before the show starts, you see our elephants parade. First of the parade, you see two elephants are helping each other to hold the welcome sign. น้องเล็ก and เพิ่มทรัพย์ they are holding the welcome sign together to welcome you. Yes, and now welcome to Mae Tang Elephant Park. Bienvenue au camp des éléphants Mae Tang. And now Tanwa will raise the flag. This focuses the elephants and tells them it's time for work. Now they are ready to show you their talent. They are ready to show you to work. Are you ready? If you are ready, please give them a big hand. Good morning, Ban Yen. The elephant in front of you now is Ban Yen. Ban Yen is 7 years old girl. For the first show, we would like to present how to measure the height of the elephant. To measure the height of the elephant, we use only the rope. You will see our mahout use the rope, measure around the foot of the elephant. Yes, believe me, to measure the height of the elephant, we measuring from the foot, around the foot one round, and then make it 2 times, make it double. This is not the magic show. Yes. Now you can see how height is Ban Yen. Yes. This is the exactly height. Measuring from the foot, around the foot one round, and then make it double, and you will see. This is the Thai wisdom. This knowledge has inherited by mahouts from generation to generation. This is the height of Ban Yen. When you go to the jungle and you see the elephant footprint on the ground, you can use the rope to measure around the footprint of the elephant, and you will see and you will know how high is the elephant. You can estimate. Okay. Yes, just say that. And together. And now we will know together how high is Ban Yen. Ban Yen is 2 meters and 15 centimeters high. Thank you very much. And now Ban Yen and Nam Thong are opening their mouth to show you what is inside. On my left hand side is Nam Thong 7 years old girl, and on my right hand side is Ban Yen 7 years old girl too. They all are opening their mouth to show you what inside. In the back of the elephant mouth they have 6 teeth, and they are much larger than us as they get 6 sets of teeth during the lifetime. Losing the first set around 3 years old. And not all male elephants have tuskers. There are male elephants with no tusks, they are called cedar elephant. Female elephants also have small tusks but called canine, and the canine will never grow. And did you know female elephant can get pregnant around 12 to 13 years old, with the pregnancy lasting for 22 months, and then the mother will nurse that baby for almost 3 years. And the elephant can live until 60 to 70 years old, very similar to human for their lifespan.
世界上有两种象，非洲象和亚洲象。非洲象体格大一些，个瘦某一些；亚洲象脑袋大一些，容易驯养。训练大象和训练小狗一样，需要有术有法，只要在训练过程中维持相交，它们就会听从指挥。亚洲象主要生活在印度、印度尼西亚、马来西亚、缅甸、老挝和泰国。大象口中一般每秀有3个前磨牙和3个后磨牙。磨牙并不是同时长出，现存的磨牙磨损后，新的磨牙才长出来。所以，如果最后一颗磨牙在60岁磨损后，老象可能是营养不良。如果继续饲喂磨碎的食品，它有可能继续活下去。非洲象无论公母都有长牙，而亚洲象母象没有。60%的公象有长牙。母象在12或13岁时可以怀孕，怀孕需为22个月，幼象生下来就开始精进，跟随妈妈一直到3岁。
Thank you very much, Ban Yen and Nam Tong. Thank you.